Good afternoon, Ascot Hotel. Nina speaking. May I help you?
Yes, I'd like to reserve a single room, please.
Certainly, ma'am.
How much is it, please?
Single room occupancy rates from 10,000 to 15,000, ma'am.
Oh, good. I'd take it.
Okay, ma'am. May I have your name, please?
Grace Castro.
Okay, ma'am. Could you spell your name, please?
Gracecastro.
Gracecaster. Thank you, Miss Grace Castro. When will you be arriving, ma'am?
On 23rd of June.
Okay, ma'am. For how many nights, Miss Castro?
Until the 27th of June.
It's fine. And do you have any special request, ma'am?
Could I have an ocean view, please?
Okay, Miss Castro. So, that's a single room with the ocean view for 4 nights from the 23 of June until 27 of June. Is that correct?
Yes, exactly. Thank you.
You are welcome. We are looking forward to your visit in our hotel. Thank you for calling us, ma'am.